you are playing Marvel's Spider-Man 2 and your sound is crackling, too low, or it stutters, this could be happening because your audio drivers are damaged or incompatible. So this can lead to audio glitches, distortions, or no sound at all in Marvel's Spider-Man 2. So watch this video to learn how to fix your sound issues in Marvel's Spider-Man 2 in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, disable any spatial audio apps like Windows Sonic or Dolby Atmos.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed.